I had to go up in the Adirondack Park today, up to Cranberry Lake, pick up a person and bring them back to Potsdam for a doctor's appointment, and then take them home again. 2-hour round trip each way for me. I think I saw a wolf today. I'll try to zero in on it here on my dash cam, but the fall foliage was out, and it's just a beautiful day to drive through the woods. I've seen a lot of wildlife driving through the Adirondack Park. I've seen black bear and bear cubs. I've seen bobcats. I haven't seen a moose yet. I always wanted to see a moose. Hopefully I'll get to see one soon, but today I think I saw a wolf.